Yeah, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Diko Graphic Design Training. I believe we're doing great today, and happy Sunday. Today, I want us to look into how we can make a church program flyer on our Android smartphone using Pixellab. How we can come up with a flyer that will consist of two or more pastor or member of the church. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So, the first thing we need to do is to determine the size we want to use. So I don't want any, let me off the data. So I want to determine the size. So the size I want to use is called square size, which is 120 by 120, which is custom size. So after that, the next thing to do is to select the background. So I want to select the background I want to use. So select this background. After that, I'm going there to repeat the same process by bringing this. I've explained, if you are following me, reason why I normally double the background like this. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do, go to the text area. Then we have conference. Then the font I want to use called Championgne font, which is this. Then I will increase it to the best of my own satisfaction. So having it position around the somehow cool. So position to the center. Okay, perfect. Then the next thing I'm going to do after that, go to the text area. Then we'll have church. Then the font we can use for this church will be Archivo. Or what we call an Archivo. So I'm using an Archivo font. You can use both. You can use the lighter one, depends on your choice. So after that, just make sure you position it here, not big and not too small. Just position to your own best of satisfaction. Then let there be a more space in between. Then adding a color. Let me use a blue color, but let me make it a more lighter. Then we go to the Championgne conference. So let's use this kind of a color. Then we send this to the top. Go to the layer and you'll have everything locked. Okay, perfect. Now the next thing we're going to do, I want to go to my gallery, borrow a kind of I want to borrow a kind of logo to use for this. So using this logo, go here, then you select the kind of a color you want to use. So I want to use black color. Then after that, the next thing to do is to put some write-up. So let's say we have daily charge. So we have this daily charge. Or let's say we have a daily grand charge. Daily grand charge. But before then, we look at the font we want to use that will easily go along with this. So I'm thinking of using this font called Archivo. Then after that, you are going to position this to the center. Position the logo to the center as well. If not really aligned to the center, you can adjust it manually. Now to make the best out of it, change this to capital letter. Then reposition to the center. Perfect. So after that, copy. Then we have charge. Position this to the center as well. Well, since everything is you can recover the autosave. So in recovering the autosave, we can go to the font, change the font to Archivo that we have been using. Then we go here and we have daily grand. Okay, reduce the size very well, reposition to the center. Then we have church. Okay, church. Perfect. Now reposition to the center. Let it calm down a little space. Now reposition this to the center here. So after that, we can now save the two. So we have our logo. Then we can reduce the size and have a position around here. Now go here. We have some more missing things to do here. So we increase for the stroke, change it. Then let's change it to the blue, can be okay. So change it to the red a little bit. So after that, what we're going to do next, you bring this, hide it, merge these together. Then we'll go back to our stroke, apply the blue. You see, so we are going to repeat the same process by merging something together with it, which will not be obvious. Then we go here by adding black color, or if possible we added yellow color or pink, depends on the one we actually wanted. So adding this or this. Okay, so now we have our logo being designed at the top corner here. We change it to the one we have been using before. Okay, the logo is done. Now lock it. Then the next thing we are going to do, we are going to import a particular layer which we are going to use for this design. So having this position here, we are going to hide, then we are going back, position this here. Okay, after that we are going to lock, go to the conference and you release, increase a bit, position to the center, send to the top, have it lock. So after that, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to copy the church, then you edit. We will have Sunday 5th. We have Sunday 5th. So we can do it separately. Let's say we have 05 5th. So we are going to position that around there. Okay. So after that we copy, then we have November 2022. Okay. So we are going to reduce the size a bit, then have this position here. Okay. Then we copy, go here and we have Sunday. Okay. So having this Sunday, we are going to bring and position it around there. Okay, perfect. Now we are going to, let me return everything, change this color. Then after that, we are going to reduce this a little bit. Now reposition. Okay, perfect. The Sunday should be shifted a little bit to the top. Okay, now we're almost there. Then the next thing we're going to do, just copy from here, put in Steven. Okay, so bring that, reduce the size a little bit, and have it positioned around here. Shading a set and shading a that move it closer. Okay, now copy, Repeat the same process. We have Samsung. Okay, so we're going to position that around there. Perfect. Copy. Then we have Austin. We're bringing it down here to make it uniform. Okay, we're good to go. So we can put the duty, putting it here after following the proper alignment. So after that, we are going to copy this Sunday. We will have our guest, which is the first thing, or let's say the second. So we have a guest, which is going to be here. So we can reduce the size depending on our choice. So we have this is actually plumb like that. Then we copy, edit, we have host. Okay, so you can bring this, bring it down, okay. Then we are going to position it well. Okay, so copy. Then with the last we post a guest, we have guest. Though we're supposed to copy that, but still okay. Okay, so let it close a little bit. So now this is done actually. So now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to just move this a little bit, have it copied, then you reduce to the venue. So we have venue. Okay, saving the venue, which should be around here, change the color to black, or then move it up a little bit. Okay, centralize it, copy, then we'll go to the editing, we'll put it there, the church address, that is number 23 Kajola Street, Akpata, Ibadan. Okay, so now we are going to put this around there, but shouldn't be as big as this. Now reposition to the center. Let there be space a little bit in between. Copy. You know, we have the church website, that is daily daily bg church dailybc.com. Have a position exactly after this. Then position to the center. This should we can have a daily bg dot dailybgc.com. Okay, the color should be changed to make it obvious. Position to the center. The space between the address and the venue are not matched, so create a little space so that it will not be too congested. After that, we will have the time which we are going to use. Okay, so let's say we have 10, and we are going to position it around here. Okay, perfect. We can increase the size a little bit. Increase the size a bit. Then we are going to copy this, put AM, reposition to the center, move it towards this direction and have it position underneath. The size can still be increased. Just make sure you properly follow the alignment principle. Okay, perfect. So to make this awesome, you can leave a space in between. Now go to the shape area. Then you have this particular shape. Change the color to make it obvious. Okay. Then have another one here. Change it to black. Okay. Now you can move towards this. Okay. You can as well as move it. Okay, then you reduce. Perfect. Reduce more. So bring this down. Tap on this and you reposition. Okay, cool. Perfect. You can put reposition to the center very well. Okay, cool. So the next thing we are going to do to put a finishing touch to this, we are going to go to the shape area, then you select this particular shape, have it long like this, go to the color, change it to this, and we are going to have it rotated. Go back to the shape and you reduce a little bit. Shall rotate again and we'll have it position around there. Very cool. Okay. So now what we're going to do here, we put the phone number. So we are going to, sorry, just have this copy. Then we have call. That is 070703466071. Now we are going to have this rotated. Go to the color, click on plus sign, and you fade the color just as perfect as this. So now reduce the size. Sorry, we are going to reduce the size a little bit, but just make sure everything is aligned properly. Okay, perfect. So now let there be spacing between the numbers and the text. So it can still be reduced to accommodate to look more awesome. After that, center it very well, position it well, and we are good to go. We're done with everything, and this is just a simple way on how we can come up with a church flyer on our Android smartphone using Pixellab. I believe we'll learn something from here. Thanks for watching. God bless you.